Hey crew, today is Sunday. We're just gonna show y'all what we're cooking today. I'm feeling a little better, still a little under the weather, but we have some egg rolls going right here, and we have some hush puppy mix. We're gonna make some hush puppies, and over here have the catfish that I'm seasoning, just salt and pepper and cornmeal. And Margaret, she's gonna do some ground mullet. And y'all will get this video today, so let us know what you're doing for your Sunday, what you're cooking, and how y'all doing. And if y'all watching football, who y'all going for. And I'll bring you guys back when we get a little further through the process. Okay crew, here go the egg rolls. And these are pork and shrimp egg rolls.
And they ain't burnt, they just crisp. They just, you know, from the, what you call it, from the shrimp and the pork. Y'all know.
Golden brown and delicious.
And they are still very firm and soft. I just had them in there for 5 minutes. That's as long as you cook them. That's it.
Okay, the queen dropping her hush puppies. And once again, the hush puppies are by Martha White. You can find these at Walmart for $1 a pack, right?
Yes, sir.
And she added a little herb and garlic and a little sugar, right?
Yes, sir. And I did mine with milk, not water.
Yeah. So each pack requires 3/4 of milk.
Or water.
Or water, yeah.
That's what directions say, milk or water.
But it's better with, you know, milk. Okay, so when we get to pull these up, I'll bring you guys back. Okay, crew, we go to hush puppies. The queen about to pull them up. Look at those. And they smell good, y'all. Crew, I just dropped the catfish. And all I did was yellow cornmeal, salt and black pepper. It go right here. And when I bring it up, I'll show y'all guys what they look like. Okay, crew, we go to catfish. And it smells amazing. The hush puppies and the egg rolls. Okay, crew, we go to final look of everything. They go to egg rolls, the hush puppy, and the fried catfish. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. Make sure you like videos and comment. And we'll catch y'all in the next video. We out. Peace.